Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to add a hashtag in your title in your YouTube channel. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel, especially to Mars Malo, Sir Ernel, and Ma'am Rubilin. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Right now I have here my video login program in PHP MySQL, and then I have here on the top Philippines the location. Now there are so many questions how to put a hashtag on the top. Instead of Philippines, we will have login or PHP programming. This is also my problem before, no? So in order to solve the problem, we go here to Studio or YouTube Studio. And then we go to content. Okay, we select the video, click edit, no? We will go to details, and then below more, no? So here, instead of Philippines, we will mark it blank, no location. And then at the end of your description, video description, you put login. Only 3 hashtag, PHP programming, 3 hashtags. At the end we will save this one. Okay, it is already saved. Let us go back to YouTube. That this technique is very simple yet very effective, now to make our video more visible to everyone. We search my channel J Comperada. We go here, login program in PHP and MySQL. Okay, so as you can see, we have already here the hashtag sharp login, sharp password, and login system. That's it. So if we click this hashtag, we will go to different videos about login system and PHP, no? There are thousands, no, or 11,000 videos about login, so it will be visible your video tutorial. Let us go back. Password, the same thing, no? Okay, 25,000 videos, 14,000 channels. Okay, so let's say for example here, login system, 13,000 videos, 64,000 channels, no? So I have here, no, may video J Comperada login system, OP login system. It is visible, no? Okay, so that's it guys, no? This we are already done on our tutorial on how to put a hashtag on the top of your title in your video in YouTube. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you learned something new in this short tutorial video. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.